compliance with discovery. Mr. Guidry, did you file a document entitled Application for Community Supervision or Deferred Adjudication? Well, you're only eligible for deferred adjudication in this instance. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
But that's the charge. Did you understand what you're
Oh,
charged with?
yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right, you need to stop whispering. You need to speak up. You understand?
No.
No, I mean, speak up the way you would speak with your friends. Right? In the same tone. All right, so did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Guidry, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up your rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, thank you, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he was, Your Honor.
Mr.
And he is at
Guidry,
this time.
oh, thank you. Mr. Guidry, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been?
no, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, you're gonna have to speak up. Open your mouth and speak up.
The microphone is.
I mean, he's just whispering.
Is it good?
No, it's not.
Oh.
And don't hold the mic like you're about to bust out in a rap, just,
Yeah, it's on.
all right.
Hello.
So you're gonna have to speak up.
Speak a little like you.
Because I know people don't whisper when they're around their friends. All right. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration the following county court cause number 706-965, 706-966, 695-664. There's to be restitution in the amount of $608.62. Is that to Derek Sims?
Yes.
And that's to be paid to Derek Sims, SIMMS. There's an affirmative finding of family violence and there's to be no contact with Derek Sims. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
What does that mean?
All right, you'll need to speak to your attorney about that.
Oh,
You want to talk to him? Yes. All right, we're off the record.
Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't discuss it.
No,
I
no,
discussed, I discussed the firearms. I didn't-
Okay. All right, we're
I
back
forgot
on,
to- I forgot to discuss the firearms. That's what they always ask me about. Okay.
no problem. All right, we're back on the record. So did you understand that with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state? Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years and there be a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, state offers states exhibit all and all its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, and state, have you had contact with the complainant?
We have.
All right, and they're aware of this agreement?
Yes.
All right, you may continue to confer. Yes. All right, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your
Do you have anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Honor. As the court can see, I have a client here. He's very young. He's read the documents. There have been some family issues between him and his mother that probably led up.
We're on the record. You may continue.
It's not to excuse what he did, just kind of explain his actions. He knows he did what's wrong. And I think he would be a good candidate. He doesn't need prior, except for other misdemeanors that I know of, Your Honor. He's also asked me to request support for some help on education and training for jobs, things like that. He's asking if there's any programs that they can provide that would help him with that.
All right, how old are you?
21.
All right, so I don't even understand how this all got to this point. You have somebody, Tiana. Is Tiana related to you?
My sister,
All right, so and how old is she?
20 or 19.
Okay, she's 19. So she posts on Facebook a picture of Roxanne and her ex-boyfriend because it was his birthday and he's passed. So what is her relationship or your relationship to Roxanne's ex-boyfriend?
Like my dad, basically.
All right, but he's not your dad. He's your stepfather or something?
He was basically, yeah, he was there, he raised me.
All right. So Roxanne gets upset because she's now moved on with another guy, right?
Mhm.
And she wants to know, why is Tiana posting pictures of her on Facebook with her ex-boyfriend, who's your stepfather, right? And instead of that being the end of it, you and Tiana decide to drive over to Roxanne's house, right?
Technically, yeah.
Well, I mean, not technically, either you did it or you didn't.
Yeah.
All right. So you go over there. Why are you keying Derek Sims' car?
He called me outside the car to come fight him, and I'm not finna fight him. But I mean, I'm finna get like, I don't know, a point across basically.
And what is your point with him that you want to get across? Why are you even going to that location?
I went because my sister called me crying. She had to go pick up her dog, and I went with her.
All right. But she's not really over there for her dog. That's just a side thing.
That's the main reason she went.
No, she went over there because she posted a photo.
Well, Your Honor, she did go to pick up a dog.
No, I mean, ultimately, that's a side trip. Her main reason for going over there was she posted a photo of Roxanne with her ex-boyfriend who's passed,
Right.
your stepfather, and everybody's upset. Roxanne is upset. Stop posting photos of me with this ex-boyfriend because maybe her new man gets upset by that. And then that's when everybody comes over because it says Roxanne asked Tiana, why does she keep posting pictures like that? You don't think somebody else has feelings, referring to her husband, Derek Sims. And then your sister Tiana got mad and told you about the exchange. And then you started calling Roxanne several times. And when she finally answered the phone, you stated, "Where's your husband at?" So this whole thing about the dog, that's just a side thing that people threw out there.
Well, she did say that his mother, is the one that did mention that she came over to pick her dog up, and it was a little dog when she left.
Oh, I know. But that's just the side thing. The main reason and what everybody got riled up over is because your sister decided to post on Facebook, which
That's-
everybody says only old people use Facebook. I guess that's not true because these are 20 and 19-year-olds. Posted a photo of Roxanne with her ex-boyfriend, who is deceased and who is your stepfather and your sister's stepfather. So that's why everybody goes over there. And then all of a sudden you pull out a gun and they say the clip fell out. So why are you going over here? And it wasn't about the dog. So why did you feel the need to go over to somebody's house because you all are posting photos?
I'm not sure.
Well,
I'm not sure why I did that.
well, I mean, you can unfold your hands. You're not sure, but here you are in felony court, and this is going to be expensive for you because fees are expensive. And this is deferred. Back in the day when you got a deferred, if somebody asked you, "Have you ever been convicted of a felony before?" You could always say no. And that's where it would end on the job application. But now everybody knows about deferred. So on job applications now, it says, "Have you ever been placed on deferred?" That's you. Do you have any children?
Speak up.
No, I don't.
How far did you go in school?
Thanks. So
All right. So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
that's what he talked about earlier, the program. I want to see if y'all can help me get into one to do CDL driving.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's easy to do. You just, well, they don't have yellow pages anymore, but you just go online.
I didn't
Yeah,
know.
but
He
there's a
just-
program for the city. I want to see if you can help me get into it. It's called Ready to Work.
Okay. All right. This is the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 706-965, 706-966, 695-664. There's to be restitution of $608.82 to Derek, DEREK Sims, SIMMS, plus no contact with Derek Sims. There's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if you obtained a certificate from some sort of trade school. You say you want your CDL license. Once you obtain that, that will be waived. Or if you decide to go back to college. All right, this affirmative finding of family violence. Why are we saying this is an affirmative finding of family violence? I'm trying to see it. I don't see it. State,
That's.
because it appears that the people, there's nothing here to say they live together.
No, they didn't live together. He didn't live with the mother, if you see the videos, there's some animosity between the mother and the two. They have not lived together for a while.
No, I mean, I'm trying to figure out why is this designated as an affirmative finding of family violence because they're not related. There's nothing in the police reports that say they ever lived together. You have a sister who's going to go pick up a dog. Did I miss something?
No, I mean, that's part of it. And there was other things. And it was a little, Yorkie, I think. it was like
No,
Yorkie.
I mean, I'm just trying to get to the legal point of affirmative finding. The sister
Sister and him, there'd have to be relation him and one.
No,
victim.
my understanding, well, let me ask you this. You're still under oath. And if anybody else knows the answers to this question, let me know. I'm not getting the impression from reading the police report that he's related to Roxanne. So they're not, is Roxanne your relative? Okay, you need to speak up. Can you say yes or no? Can you open your mouth and speak so that people can hear you?
She is.
All right, what is her relationship to you?
She's my mom.
Oh, so Roxanne is the mom.
That's,
Ah, that is not in here. I cannot believe you and your sister went to your mom's house with all of this foolishness because she's dating somebody else. Your sister's 19, you're 20. Hey, maybe you love the stepfather more than you love the mom, but guess what? Your mom has moved on. And either you're going to accept that or you're not going to accept it. It appears that she has chosen the man she is with. That's who she wants to be with. She don't want you all posting photos of her with her ex-boyfriend. But guess what? That's up to you. You want to post photos of her all over Facebook with her ex-boyfriend? Fine. But that doesn't snowball into you and your sister going over there and causing chaos. This is not a Disney movie where you're trying to get her back with, you know, your stepfather or anything or like that. It's over. She's not going to be with that. Maybe she's not every anniversary. She's not celebrating that. Maybe she's moved on. Maybe she never loved your stepfather. I don't know. But what I do know, according to this police report, she has moved on with Derek Sims. And you all need to accept that. And if you can't accept it, then don't go over there. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now I see why it's an affirmative finding of family violence. That wasn't in the police report. So there's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There should be regular random UAs. Field visits. One time per month for 4 months. And is there destruction of the weapon or forfeit the weapon?
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry, but it's going on this side.
All right, there's going to be a forfeit of the weapon. Anger management. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Thank you. Proof of employment. Within 35 days, there should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court. Oh, and I'm sorry, there's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Sometimes we don't like the partners maybe that our parents may choose. But guess what? Sometimes your parents don't like the partners that you choose. Guess what? Everybody's living their own life. They're adults. People can choose whomever they want to be their partner. Your only choice you have to make is either you're going to accept it or not. If you're not going to accept it, then move on. You understand? Now, from here on out, everything that you do, you need to ask yourself, is this something that could potentially result in me going to prison up for 20 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If it's maybe, don't.